Right.
Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about some enzymes and digestive juices in the gut. So today we discuss about some digestive enzymes and digestive juices in the gut. The other name for digestive tract is alimentary canal. The other name for alimentary canal is gut. Other names digestive tract, other names digestive tract, alimentary canal, gut, or second brain. Second brain in the body is alimentary canal. So previous day we will discuss about the structure of digestive system. Today we will discuss about the enzymes present in the digestive system. The enzymes and juices present in the digestive system. So this is the first part of first lesson. Today we will complete the first part of first lesson. So the first enzyme is tyalin. Ikkada P sign, tyalin. The other name for tyalin is salivary amylase. This salivary amylase secreted by salivary glands. Totally 3 pairs of salivary glands are present in human digestive system. These 3 pairs of salivary glands secrete saliva. That saliva contains tyalin enzyme. The other name for tyalin is salivary amylase. This tyalin is secreted into buccal cavity. 3 pairs of salivary glands secreted the saliva into buccal cavity or oral cavity. The digestive juice is saliva. The saliva acts on carbohydrates. We take the main foods are carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Carbohydrates are complex compounds. These complex compounds are converted into simple in the presence of saliva or salivary amylase tyalin. The carbohydrates are converted into simple substances like dextrins plus maltose sugars. Carbohydrate is a complex molecule. This complex molecule converted into 2 simple molecules, dextrins and maltose sugars. That's about the first enzyme. The first enzyme, tyalin, secreted by salivary glands, secreted into buccal cavity. That digestive juice is called as saliva. This salivary amylase or tyalin acts on carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are converted into dextrins plus maltose sugars in the presence of salivary amylase. That's about the first thing. The second one, pepsin. Pepsin is another enzyme. This pepsin is secreted by stomach walls. Secreted into stomach. The pepsin secreted through the walls of stomach and secreted into stomach. That juice is called as gastric juice. It acts on proteins. So in the stomach part only protein digestion occurs. The partially digested food present in stomach is called as chyme. The partly digested food present in stomach is called as chyme. Whereas the partly digested food present in oral cavity or buccal cavity is called as bolus. Bolus. Very important. What is bolus and chyme? The answer is bolus means the partly digested food present in buccal cavity or oral cavity is called bolus. Second one, chyme. The partly digested food present in stomach region is chyme. And the third one, second one, the proteins are converted into peptones in the presence of pepsin enzyme. Pepsin enzyme. So the pepsin converts the proteins into peptones. Proteins are big molecules or complex molecules. The peptones are simplest molecules or simple molecules. Now the third one, bile. The bile juice. Bile or bile juice. This bile contains no enzymes. Now in previous examination asked question is the digestive juice without enzymes is bile. The digestive juice without enzymes. Generally, any digestive enzyme contains the digestive juice. Any digestive juice contains some enzymes, but the bile juice contains no enzymes. Because of this reason, it is very specialized one. This bile. The bile contains no enzymes. It is secreted by liver. This part is liver. Previously discussed in the lesson. The liver is umbrella shaped organ. The cells present in the liver is hepatocytes. This liver secretes a juice called bile juice. It is a highly regenerating organ. Next, this juice or bile juice secreted into duodenum. Duodenum means this is a U-shaped part. Previously discussed part. This is duodenum. The bile juice secreted into duodenum. Duodenum lo secrete avutundi. Akkada unneటువంటి juice enti bile juice. Bile juice always acts on fats or lipids. The fats or lipids converted into small globule-like parts in the presence of bile. That process is called as emulsification. Emulsification. Fats or lipids converted into small globule-like parts. That process is known as emulsification. That's about the third one. Next, the fourth one, amylase. This amylase is different from this amylase. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేది ఏంటంటే salivary amylase. This amylase is salivary amylase. This is normal amylase. Salivary amylase secreted from salivary glands. This amylase secreted from pancreas. That is the difference, but the functions are the same. This amylase secreted into duodenum. The digestive juice is pancreatic juice. The pancreatic juice contains amylase enzyme. This amylase enzyme acts on carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are complex molecules. These complex molecules are converted into simple substances like maltose in the presence of amylase. Totally similarity. Salivary amylase and normal amylase. These two acts on carbohydrates and convert the carbohydrates into maltose in the presence of amylase or salivary amylase. That's the similarity between these two. And then trypsin. Next enzyme is trypsin. Trypsin is very important one. This trypsin also secreted from pancreatic walls, pancreas. This is secreted into duodenum. So amylase and trypsin, these two are secreted into duodenum part. Next, this trypsin acts on proteins. The proteins are big molecules. These big molecules are complex molecules are converted into simple ones. Proteins are converted into peptones in the presence of trypsin. The similarity between these two, చూడండి ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ pepsin and trypsin. These two enzymes acts on proteins. These two are acts on proteins. These proteins are converted into peptones in the presence of the enzymes, pepsin and trypsin. And next, sixth one, lipase. L-I-P, lime means fats. This lipase enzyme secreted by intestinal wall and pancreas. These two parts secrete the lipase enzyme and secreted into duodenum part. And the digestive juice is pancreatic juice and intestinal juice. This lipase enzyme acts on fats. These fats are converted into fatty acids and glycerol in the presence of lipase enzyme. So fats are complex molecules. These complex molecules are converted into simple ones like fatty acids and glycerol. So the similarity between bile and lipase. This bile juice acts on fats and lipase acts on fats. So these two acts on fats and converted into simple molecules. Simple molecules are small globule-like parts, fatty acids and glycerol. So totally bile and lipase enzymes acts on fats. That's about the sixth one. Seventh one, peptidases. These peptidases are secreted by small intestine walls secreted an enzyme called peptidase and secreted into small intestine. The internal part of small intestine contains some finger-like projections. These finger-like projections are called as villi. These villi is useful for increase the area of absorption. So that small intestine part, that juice is called intestinal juice. This intestinal juice converts the peptides into amino acids in the presence of peptidases. And the last enzyme is sucrase. In the textbook the mistake is present. Textbook lo manaki last ee 8th one దగ్గర mistake ఉంటుంది. ఆ mistake ఏంటంటే sucrase ఉండాలి. ఆ sucrase బదులు sucrose OSE ఉంటుంది, అది మార్చుకోండి. ఇది sucrase ASE enzyme. This sucrase is secreted by small intestine and secreted into small intestine, and the juice is called small intestinal juice and acts on sucrose. Sucrose is very important sugar. The cane sugar, what is sucrose? Previously asked question is what is sucrose? The sucrose means cane sugar is called sucrose. Cane sugar ante cherukulo undeటువంటి చక్కెర. This complex sucrose converted into glucose in the presence of sucrase enzyme. Thank you.
14 minutes.